Hello children, welcome for today's Crack NEET biology classes. So regular solving MCQs from this channel and practicing at least 30 minutes per day will help you to prepare for your NEET exam and for other regular exams also children. So try to solve with me. If not, answers will be given for you. If you don't know why the answer is correct, you can refer the description box. Their explanation it has been given for you. So the self-taught video lesson link also attached there. So you can go through that before attending the MCQ session. Then it will be easier for you. Okay. So now let us go inside the MCQ. Extrusion of second polar body from egg occurs A. Simultaneously with first cleavage. B. After entry of sperm but before fertilization. C. After fertilization. D. Before entry of sperm into ovum. The correct answer is B. After entry of sperm but before fertilization. Now next question. Capacitation occurs in A. Epididymis, B. Vas deferens, C. Female reproductive tract, D. Retitestis. The correct answer is C. Female reproductive tract. Already I told you, if you don't know why the answer is correct, you can refer the description box for the reason and explanations and hints. Next question. Fertilization in humans is practically feasible only if A. The ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to ampullary-isthmic junction of the cervix. B. Sperms are transported into cervix within 48 hours of release of ovum in uterus. C. The sperms are transported into vagina just after the release of ovum in fallopian tube. D. The ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to ampullary-isthmic junction of fallopian tube. Can you guess the answer? It is D. The ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to ampullary-isthmic junction of fallopian tube. Now next question. In human females, meiosis-ll is not completed until A. Uterine implantation, B. Birth, C. Puberty, D. Fertilization. The correct answer is D. Fertilization. Now next question. Capacitation refers to changes in the A. Ovum after fertilization, B. Sperm after fertilization, D. Sperm before fertilization, D. Ovum before fertilization. Can you guess the correct answer? It is C. Sperm before fertilization. The next question children. In our society, women are blamed for producing female children. Choose the correct answer for the sex determination in humans. A. Due to some deficit like spermia in man. B. Due to the genetic makeup of the particular sperm which fertilizes the egg. C. Due to the genetic makeup of the egg. Then D. Due to some deficit in women. The correct answer is B. Due to the genetic makeup of the particular sperm which fertilizes the egg. Now next question. So identify the human developmental stage shown in the figure as well as the related right space of its occurrence in the normal pregnant women and select the right option for the two together. So developmental stage and site of occurrence it has been given. So late morula, middle part of fallopian tube, B. blastula, end part of fallopian tube, C. blastocyst uterine wall, D. 8-celled morula, starting point of fallopian tube. The correct option, can you guess? It is C. blastocyst uterine wall. Now next question. What happens during fertilization in humans after many sperms reach close to the ovum? A. Secretions of acrosome helps one sperm enter cytoplasm of ovum through zona pellucida. B. All sperms except the one nearest to the ovum lost their tails. C. Cells of corona radiata trap all the sperms except one. D. Only 2 sperms nearest the ovum penetrate zona pellucida. The correct answer, it is A. Secretions of acrosome helps one sperm enter the cytoplasm of ovum through zona pellucida. Now the next question. The second maturation division of the mammalian ovum occurs A. Shortly after ovulation, before the ovum makes entry into the fallopian tube. B. Until and after the ovum has been penetrated by the sperm. C. Until the nucleus of the sperm has fused with that of the ovum. D. In the Graafian follicle following the first maturation division. The correct answer, can you guess? It is B. Until after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. Next one. Which one of the following statements about morula in humans is correct? A. It has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as an uncleaved zygote but much more DNA. B. It has far less cytoplasm as well as less DNA than in an uncleaved zygote. C. It has more or less equal quantity of cytoplasm and DNA as in uncleaved zygote. D. It has more cytoplasm and more DNA than an uncleaved zygote. The correct answer, can you guess? It is A. It has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as an uncleaved zygote but much more DNA. Now next question. In human female, the blastocyst A forms placenta even before implantation. B. Gets implanted into uterus 3 days after ovulation. C. Gets nutrition from the uterine endometrial secretion only after implantation. D. Gets implanted in endometrium by the trophoblast cells. Can you guess the answer? It is D. Gets implanted in endometrium by the trophoblast cells. Now next question. A change in the amount of yolk and its distribution in the egg will affect A. Pattern of cleavage. B. Number of blastomeres produced. C. Fertilization. D. Formation of zygote. The correct answer is A. Pattern of cleavage. Now next one. Gray crescent in the area is the area A. At the point of entry of sperm into ovum. B. Just opposite to the site of entry of sperm into ovum. C. At the animal pole. D. At the vegetal pole. The correct answer is B. Just opposite to the site of entry of sperm into ovum. Now next question. So what is true for cleavage? A. Size of embryo increases. Size of cell decreases. C. Site of cell increases. D. Size of embryo decreases. The correct answer is B. Size of cells decreases. Now the next question. So blastopore is the pore of A. Archenteron. B. Blastocele. C. Coelom. D. Alimentary canal. The correct answer is A. Archenteron. Now next question. Fertilization is a chemical substance produced from A. Polar bodies. B. Middle piece of sperm. C. Mature eggs. D. Acrosome. The correct answer is C. Mature eggs. Now next question. In human beings, the eggs are A. Meiosis-ll. B. Alecythal. C. Microlecythal. D. Macrolecythal. The correct answer is B. Alecythal. Now next question. In an egg, the type of cleavage is determined by A. The amount of distribution of yolk. B. The number of egg membranes. C. The shape and size of sperm. D. The size and location of the nucleus. The correct answer is A. The amount and distribution of yolk. Now next question. So what is true about cleavage in the fertilized egg in humans? A. It starts while the egg is in fallopian tube. B. It starts when the egg reaches the uterus. C. It is meroblastic. D. It is identical to the normal mitosis. The correct answer is A. It starts while the egg is in the fallopian tube. Now next question. Termination of gastrulation is indicated by A. Obliteration of blastocele, obliteration of orchentron, C. Closure of blastopore, D. Closure of neural tube. The correct answer is A. Obliteration of blastocele. The next question. In teloleucithal egg, the yolk is found A. all over the egg, B. on one side, C. both the sides, D. center. The correct answer is B. on one side. Now next question. Acrosome reaction in sperm is triggered by A. capacitation, B. release of lysine, C. influx of Na plus ions, D. release of fertilization. Can you guess the answer? It is influx of Na plus. Next one. Meroblastic cleavage is a division which is A. horizontal, B. partial or parietal, C. total, D. spiral. The correct answer is B. parietal or partial. Next one. Blastopore is A. opening of neural tube, B. opening of gastrocele, C. future anterior end of embryo, D. found in blastula. The correct answer is B. opening of gastrocele. Next question. So during cleavage, what is true about cells? A. nucleocytoplasmic ratio remains unchanged. B. size does not increase. C. there is less consumption of oxygen. D. the division is like meiosis. The correct answer is B. size does not increase. Now next question. Freshly released human egg has A. 1 Y chromosome, B. 1 X chromosome, C. 2 X chromosomes, D. 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosome. The correct answer is 1 X chromosome. Now the next question. Sperm and egg nuclei fuse due to A. base pairing of their DNA and RNA, B. formation of hydrogen bonds, C. mutual attraction due to differences in electrical charges, B. attraction of their protoplasts. The correct answer is D. attraction of their protoplasts. Now next question. Cells become variable in morphology and function in different regions of embryo. The process is A. differentiation, B. metamorphosis, C. organization, D. rearrangement. The correct answer is A. differentiation. Hope children, you must have gone through all the MCQs. How many MCQs you were able to solve correctly without assistance? Give in the comments box children. Share the video lesson with your friends so that they also can be benefited. In case if you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe the channel to get regular updates and video lessons posted. Thank you children. We will meet in the next class.